Tired of a vacuum that wastes your time and skips the hard-to-reach spots? What if your cleaner could see, think, and work without you lifting a finger? Let's talk about the Eureka J20, a next-gen robot vacuum that maps your home, dodges obstacles, empties itself, and stays connected to your phone. With powerful suction, smart navigation, and hands-free convenience, it's here to make spotless floors your new everyday normal. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Eureka J20 Robot Vacuum with base station, documentation pamphlets, power cord, side brushes, dust bag, and cleaning solution. Want to grab the Eureka J20 Robot Vacuum from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? The self-developed aluminum fan structure delivers a maximum vacuum suction of 8,000 pascals, effectively cleaning deep into floor crevices and carpets, with a household debris removal rate of 99%. The RollRenew mopping system ensures your floors are always cleaned with a fresh mop. It automatically refreshes the mop during cleaning to prevent dirt from spreading. This keeps every pass hygienic, efficient, and streak-free. Duo Detect AI trademark obstacle detection helps the J20 navigate with precision in any setting. It uses advanced sensors to identify and avoid objects in real time. No environment is too complex for it to clean safely and efficiently. IntelliView AI classifies dry messes. When cleaning dry debris, the speed of the side brushes is reduced automatically to prevent scattering. After switching to Smart Clean mode, Eureka J20 Robot Vacuum intelligently assesses the type of room and the flooring material to use the optimal cleaning strategy. The base station automatically refills clean water, drains dirty water, collects dust, washes the mop, dries the mop, cleans the tray, and charges automatically to make cleaning totally hands-free. Specifications: How to use. Start by removing the robot's collision protection strip and peeling off the laser protection film. Next, attach the side brush securely to the bottom of the robot. Then, set up the base station by installing the base ramp and inserting the cleaning filter into place. Make sure all components are properly installed. Place the charging dock against a wall on a flat surface with enough space around it. Plug it in and let the robot fully charge before first use to ensure optimal performance and battery life. For mopping, remove the left water tank from the base station. Open the cover, fill it with tap water, and place it back inside. Add the cleanser into its designated compartment in the base station to prepare for cleaning. Start an initial mapping run so the robot can scan and save your home layout. It uses LiDAR to accurately build a map, which helps it clean efficiently and avoid obstacles. You can later customize the map with rooms, no-go zones, and more. Choose your desired suction level or cleaning mode via the app or voice assistant. Once started, the robot navigates room by room, auto-adjusting to floor types and collecting dust and debris. It even empties itself at the dock when the job is done. How to connect. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Eureka app. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Long press the robot's network button, wait for the network indicator light to flash, and follow the voice prompts and steps in the app to complete the network configuration. Open the app and tap Add Device and follow the in-app instructions. Power on your robot, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password when prompted. Once paired, you'll have full control over scheduling, cleaning modes, and more from anywhere. Maintenance. Remove the dustbin from the robot and empty it. Wash it with water, let it dry completely, then place the filter back inside and reinstall the bin into the robot. Check the robot's brush compartments for any buildup and ensure they are free from blockages. Finally, use the cleaning tool to clean the main brush and side brushes, removing any tangled hair or debris. Remove the water box from the robot. Wash it thoroughly with water and let it dry completely before reinstalling. This prevents odors and keeps the system clean. Next, take off the used mop from the robot, replace it with a new one, and secure it properly to ensure effective mopping performance. Remove the base station's cover, take out the dust bag, and replace it with a new one. Next, remove the cleaning tray, wash it thoroughly, let it dry completely, and reinstall it. Then, take out the water tank, empty the dirty water, wash the tank, refill it with clean water, and place it back into the base station securely. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Eureka J20 Robot Vacuum. See you in the next one.